Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of DIYs and randomness. Today we will be making Floam Slime, and yeah, let's get straight on into this video. The materials you will be needing are a bowl and something to mix with. I'm using a spatula. You'll be needing some white glue. You can use clear glue as well. You'll also be needing some shaving foam. This part is optional. You'll also be needing some activator. I'm using detergent. My brand is Gain. You can also use food coloring. I'm using red to make my slime pink. This part is optional as well. And last but not least, foam. The first step is to pour in your glue, as much as you want. I'm going to add some food dye. And give it a stir. Now I'm going to add some shaving foam. Once again, this is optional. And now I'm going to give it a stir. Now I'm going to add my detergent. Now our slime has formed. As you can see, it's not sticking to the sides anymore. Now I'm going to add the foam beads. And now I'm going to mix it all together. Now I'm going to mix. And I'm gonna add just a little bit more. Add the rest of it there. And give it a mix. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY Floam Slime. Give this video a big thumbs up. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye!